Folklore Suantraí Íosa, you're very welcome. As we gather to look at the readings for tomorrow, Thursday, the 10th of March, Thursday of the first week of Lent. The readings are, first of all, from Esther, and it tells in chapter 4, it tells the story of how Queen Esther has to confront the king over something that's happening, and it could involve her death. And so she prays to God, praying that he will remember her. Remember, Lord, reveal yourself in the time of our distress. Come to my help, for I am alone and have no one but you, Lord. And because she puts her trust in God, he answers her call. And Psalm 138 takes up the theme. On the day I called, you answered me, O Lord. I thank you with all my heart. You heard the words of my mouth. You stretched out your hand and saved me. Your hand will do all things for me. This group of readings invite us to grow in the confidence in the efficacy or the effectiveness of prayer. Sometimes we act as if everything just depended on us alone. Now, it's very important that we act and work and do practical things. But it's important we call on the name of the Lord to help us and to bless our efforts. And so Jesus in the gospel, and so much of the gospels at this part are taken from the Sermon on the Mount. And again, we have chapter 7 of St. Matthew. And he says, ask and it will be given to you. Search and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. For the one who searches always finds, and the one who knocks will always have the door open to him. Your Father in heaven will give good things to those who ask him. And then, as a conclusion to it, always treat others as you would like them to treat you. That is the meaning of the law and the prophets, that we who depend on God should be dependable, and that others in the community can rely on us to help because we are becoming like God, available to help others by his grace. God is changing us, and the great grace we pray for in this time of Lent is that God would indeed transform our hearts, our minds, our souls, and make them like his own. With thoughts such as these, let us go to our beds this evening and let us awake in the morning with the praise of God on our hearts and our lips. Agus gamanal bia ila cóchtach sibh, ahar, mach agus spirit neamh. Amen. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.